Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, today we shall discuss democracy with some of its key factors. The first on the list with me is political culture. During the 20th century, democracy continued to exist in some countries despite periods of acute diplomatic, military, economic, or political crisis, such as occurred during the early years of the Great Depression. The survival of democratic institutions in these countries is attributable in part to the existence in their societies of culture of widely shared democratic beliefs and values. Such attitudes are acquired early in life from older generations, thus becoming embedded in people's view of themselves, their country, and the world. In countries where democratic culture is weak or absent, democracy is much more vulnerable. That means easily can be hurt or harmed physically, mentally, or emotionally. And periods of crisis are more likely to lead to a reversion to a non-democratic regime. What is a regime? An institution with clear substantive and geographically limits bounded by explicit rules and agreed on by governments. The concept of a regime is often preceded by an adjective, international, national, or urban, for example, that refers to the area over which it has jurisdictions and can be used to refer to all manner of substantive remits over which it has control. Development, environment, labor, trade, and so on. A more detailed definition documents that the means through which an institution forms. The emphasis is on the principles, norms, rules, and decision-making procedures around and which the expectations of individual actors, normally government, converge and are institutionalized. Where we stand today, what can we do for Pakistan to make it more stronger and prospering? Ladies and gentlemen, I would welcome your comments. They're very valuable for me and for the people of Pakistan. And I will request you that at this hours of time, please join hands and stand up for Pakistan and its people. Thank you very much.
SNS Education and Skills. We broaden your vision. We broaden your knowledge. SNS Education and Skills, जहां मिले आपको तालीम का एक नया आगाज, तालीम भी तरबियत भी. Affiliated with Canada and United States of America. English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. Well qualified teachers. Language courses, IELTS, TOEFL, PET, Chinese language, office management course, law management course, web development, digital marketing, SEO, search engine optimization. SNS Education and Skills. House number 29A, Street number 3, Pipeline Street, Caltex Road, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Second branch opposite Wakil Colony, 208 RB Link Road, Lower Canal Road, Faisalabad, Pakistan. Phone 051 5157 518 0333 64 266 40. sseducationcollege.com